Hello everyone, welcome to JCHENG Security. Today we're going to introduce JC433MHz Security Wireless DIY Standalone Alarm Siren Kit. You will see a user manual for the wireless alarm siren and also 2 pieces of warning stickers in case you want to paste it on the doors or windows. A single user manual for the water leakage detector. And let's see more details. You will get 1 piece of strobe siren. It's USB cable, relative power plug, 1 piece of PIR detector, and its bracket. Okay, 2 pieces of remote control, 2 pieces of door sensor, and they're always 3M thick tape, 1 piece of water leakage sensor, 1 screw back. That's all. Thank you.